Hello everyone and welcome back to Canal Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa xs90 espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was having error 4, and as you can see, it does no longer have error 4, it just says coffee ready, so that means the machine is ready to use. We also deep clean everything inside the machine, especially the brew unit. We have to disassemble the entire thing and deep clean it, replace the O-rings from the machine as well, descale it, and just give it good service all around it. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna taste the machine up. Then we're gonna be using the cappuccino, and then we're gonna be using the hot water of the machine as well as the steam. The machine is being on standby for a little bit of time already to make sure that there was no any kind of any other issues with it. We had the cover of the machine off completely, and we were checking if there were any leaks or any other issues, and we didn't find any. As you can see, machine is now extracting. It's going to do pre-infusion, and now it's going to do extraction. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, and excellent volume as well. Really good crema coming out on top of the espresso shot. Looking good. Now we're going to be using a cappuccino. We're going to be testing everything at once, the steamer as well as the spout of the cappuccino. We do not have the hose of the machine, so we will not be able to siphon milk. We're still going to be able to see the steam coming out from the steamer. Now that the machine is ready, we can now do a cappuccino. There's the steam, as you can see. Nice steady steam coming out of one. Excellent pressure and excellent temperature as well. Excellent flow coming out from the spouts as well. That was pre-infusion. Working excellent. Otherwise, you can see nice steady stream as well, and excellent temperature. Working excellent. So there you have it, Jura Impressa XS90 working once again and without that error 4. Thank you so much for repairing Canning Coffee, and subscribe to our channel.